it's not on your sheet. So you'll have to add it in.
So by now you know the name of the game is Prison Mayhem, and it's a time management game. Here the player basically plays the role of a prison guard who is managing the prison, and he is getting convicts into the prison, attending to their requests, and then when the time is up, I mean when they are finished with their term, he releases them from the jail. So the game genre and the audience. Like we know, it's a time management game, and audience we are basically targeting casual gaming audience, that is 14 plus. Time management games are very popular among in App Store. According to our market research, we have found that 45% of the gaming audience is more into time management games. So we have like a wide market. And the story, we have just come to the story to go along with our game. A character, Bluto, who is a prison guard, he is from a family of notorious gangsters, but he doesn't want to follow their footsteps. So he wants to do something different, and then he decides to be a prison guard and somehow reform as many people as he can. The platforms we are planning to support are iPhone, iPod Touch, iPad, and the Mac. We'll just run through the game features. We have 4 different prisons and 50 levels with varying difficulties. And we have 12 prisoner types. And we have in-game mini-games to bring some variety into the game. And we have custom prisons where user can create his own prison, he can buy upgrades, he can design however he wants, and he can share it on Facebook or Twitter just to show off with his friends. And we also have Game Center, leaderboard, and achievement. Game Center is a community where you keep track of your games you play and you build up your scores and have a leaderboard and stuff. And we also have Retina display support. This is basically for iPhone 4. And some game screens. You can see this is basically in the beginning level where you can see worn-out walls and floors and lesser prisoners. And then as we progress, number of prisoners increase and some of the items are upgraded. And finally, in the last few levels, you will see a much better prison, like stronger prison walls, cells, and many more prisoners coming in.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, we're done. Yeah.
Okay.
We're running out of time.
Yeah, we'll just run through the slides.
Yeah.
Okay, the gameplay is you just get in the prisoner, and you tend to their needs. Like every prisoner has different requests. Like some of them need to be sent to recreation. Some of them fake as if they are sick. Some of them need tranquilizers so that they can be sedated and they don't run out of the prisons. So that way, and when once the term is done, you get an indication, and then they are released from their cells. Yeah, we have 12 prisoners and some artwork for prisoners. And this is for how it will look on the iPhone, on the iPad. And we have come up with some funny names for prisons. Some achievements and leaderboard information. And Comet, basically because all the time management games nowadays are aimed at female gaming audience. So we thought of bringing this prison element so that even male casual gaming audience gets interested, and because we have cartoon violence also, so they would definitely want to try out this game. I mean, it's not fashion based or restaurant based, so that's why it's something different. Yeah, just something about what we do right now and what we have achieved till now.
This last game is by a game developer called Ramdas Nair. He's from Kerala. He's not here, so I'm going to present this game on his behalf to you guys. Thankfully, he's included this about 5. I don't have to read, but yeah, he says he's young people. So, but anyway, so this is again a racing game. All right, so it's about pushing the limits. There are a couple of There are a couple of levels to this. One is the Trailblazer and a Gate Crusher. So I'm going to show you what it's all about. So just take a look at the demo and try to play.
So if he wins, he doesn't get the laptop.
And yeah, it's powered by Unity and physics engine that he's used. Okay. Trace fine.
I don't know. I know who not to go with. Huh?
Sorry?
I said I know who not to go with.
Okay, well, anyway, I'm trying my best. So basically, the objective in this particular level of the game is to crash as many gates as you can. Quickly show you the other one, Trailblazer. I think that's a time-based. You'll find a timer out here. So you gotta beat your earlier time. If you look at the gameplay and see cliffs and in all the levels, there are these cliffs, mountains, and some of the some of obstacles that come your way. So we don't have the level of here, but yeah. So drifting. Right.
Oops.
It's a cool game. Why the fuck?
Why did you do that?
I'll make sure I tell him what he did.
Yeah. We have the video guide. Oh yeah, there. You gotta go jump. So this is how they do it in the movies. Okay, alright, I'll leave it at that. Oh. Okay. That's Ramdas Nair with Physical Limits.